I don't know if you've ever met this particular culture on YouTube or not, Will, but I did, probably because of the kids. They started getting interest in the Nerf weapons. Are they not weapons? Nerf toys, really. I don't know. Wait a sec. Are they? What are you supposed to call them? They're launchers, blasters. That's what they call them, blasters. You see, because you can't get too violent with it.
Sure.
Anyway, it brought me into this culture, and then I saw this Verge post, and I'm like, oh, I'm not the only one that was kind of interested in it. It's an entire modding culture, DIY Nerf modding culture, where these guys are doing incredible things with these blasters.
Yeah.
Have you ever encountered it before?
No, this is a rabbit hole
You haven't been down it? It's I'm talking replacing motors, replacing battery systems to either increase rate of fire, to either increase velocity in some cases, and also just for looks, they can make these incredible video game looking things.
Okay.
You can scroll down to one of the latest mods from, I guess, the feature interview from this particular article.
This one?
Out of darts. Here's a Nerf mod which takes a rival weapon, and you're going to think it looks fairly finished, but in the video, this guy's channel, by the way, Out of Darts, in the video, he's not even really satisfied with it. He's like, well, if I had my 3D printer, I would have done this more custom or that. This blaster here, Will, is not supposed to have these tubes on the side.
Right.
He increased the number of the amount of ammo it can hold by a substantial amount. Normally, it would just be housed in the chamber of the blaster. It's a Nerf Rival Zeus, and this mod gives it 108 balls, which you'll see him fire in a second. Now, he talks about, okay, I don't know how stable it's going to be or how long this fan unit's going to run for, and maybe I'll burn it out. I don't know, but he's like, the fan units only cost this much, so I don't really care. And you'll see when he goes to fire here, this guy, I mean, there's no reloading necessary. He's got plenty of ammo for whatever battle he may encounter. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that, how they move through, get pushed through the tubes.
Oh, cool.
Anyway, this is just one guy. I've encountered very many as I've looked into it. And in some cases, they can get these things into some pretty tremendous rate of fire and pretty tremendous velocity, up to like, I don't know, 150 feet per second type of thing.
I see, yeah. That's cool.
And some of them, what they'll do, Will, is they'll do these really elaborate artistic paint jobs as well to make them look like old... Like you discovered some old military weapon, kind of like Gears of War type of thing. They'll do some amazing techniques from an art perspective as well. So it's a whole scene, and people are starting to figure it out, or what can you say? Pay attention to it, pull in a few million views and things like this. Well, just another YouTube rabbit hole for you.
Sure.